Please prepare Ikaw Din Akmar Aka versus Tumamak John Philip Au. Tumamak, please raise your hand. Visa Amber, raise your hand. Next bout. Gonzaga Sydney, blue side, next bout. Mitante Julian Ray, prepare. Ogok Trixie. Ogok Trixie, raise your hand. For 8 years old and below, Open Team Kata Boys, please prepare KMC, Nudalo Dayanon, and Pacanya versus AOK Philippines, Dipio, Medalla, and Gonzalez. Please prepare. Again, for 8 years old and below, Open Team Kata Boys, Team KMC, Nudalo, Dayanon, Pacanya versus AOK Philippines, Dipio, Italia, and Gonzalez. Please proceed to Tatame 1. Tupas